So in this video, I'll be trying one of the solutions to fix the problem where your Google Nest camera says it's offline, even though the Wi-Fi is there and it's working. So I'm just going to try one of the solutions in this video, and I'll link other solutions in the description below so you can try whichever one works for you. So for this specific video, we're going to update the Google Home app. So if you go to the Google Home, you can see my camera says it's offline, even though I know my Wi-Fi is working properly and I'm in close proximity to my camera. So let's try to update the Google Home app, because for some reason it keeps saying it's offline, but I still get notifications from the camera. So it's kind of strange. So let's try to go to the App Store. So for iPhone users, that is the Apple App Store. For Android users, that should be the Google Play Store. So just go to your App Store and look for Google Home. And try to update the app. So let's update our Google Home app. With the update complete, you can now launch or relaunch the Google Home app, and let's see what happens. So it seems my camera is back online. So let's try and check it out. There you go. So this one fixed my problem where the camera seemed to be offline even though it was online. Now, if this doesn't work for you, I'll also try other solutions that you can try to fix the problem, and I'll link those videos in the description below. Thanks for watching and good luck.